Hi, it's Gordon from the YouTube channel GalleryCookery. Every Friday, new videos and epoxy table projects. We are going to make a new epoxy table, and this is for clients in Saasveld. They have a Suar table from Indonesia. Beautiful, beautiful table, 8 centimeter thick, and it is approximately 103 centimeter wide and 2.60 meters long. This Suar table is very strong wood, and we will coat it with 1 layer epoxy. This will be a very nice project. The spider legs will be adjusted with them. Stay tuned and follow us GalleryCookery.com. By working with epoxy, always use a high quality air filter, and always open windows and make an air flux. Nou, daar staat hij dan, de Suar tafel. Tevreden? Ja.
Wees wat ik erop ga liggen.